You probably know the Anthurium as a tropical houseplant, but did you also know that it has one of the longest lasting flowers? It's tropical, so it prefers warmth and humidity, so perfect for indoors. It's a real eye catcher and also is an air purifier. Bright colors, long-lasting flowers, minimal maintenance, and air purifying qualities. It's the perfect houseplant. In the cultivation of both potted and cut Anthuriums, less energy is used compared to other products. More and more growers are using sustainable resources. While some growers are using geothermal heat, others are installing solar panels. Overall, all Anthurium growers are working hard to produce as sustainable as possible.